Negative prompts guide AI models by specifying what should be excluded from the output, helping to improve content quality and relevance. During the Stable Diffusion image generation process, the AI model looks at both the positive and negative prompts from the user. The negative prompt removes objects or styles in a unique way that can't be achieved by adjusting a positive prompt alone. We now test on Novita AI Image Playground. Then how does LLM relate to negative prompts? For instance, in role-playing games, dynamic updates to negative prompts steer character interactions away from certain topics or behaviors, showcasing how LLMs merge human creativity with AI image generation through natural language processing and advanced machine learning. Here are 2 tips for implementing negative prompts. The first one is identifying the right context for each negative prompt. The second one is customizing negative prompts for diverse creative needs. For developers, you can refer to our documents for more. Check all these on Novita AI.